First, open the Affinity. Then click this plus icon. If you want to create your own canvas, then click this new document. Let's select pixel from here and apply a dimension like 1920 into 1080. Hit OK. Finally, we created a new canvas. If you want to bring direct photo, then click this plus icon. Select any source like photos or cloud. Let's click on cloud and get the photo. Now you can start working on it. If you wanna invert, then go to these channels. Click on 3 dots. Here you got the invert option. If you want to rotate the canvas, go to the navigator option. Click to unlock. Now your canvas is rotating. If you want to duplicate a layer, first select that layer. Then press and hold to duplicate. Two finger tap for undo and 3 finger tap for redo. If you wanna make selection, then go to selection persona. Here you will get some tools which we will use upcoming tutorials. Now let's select the smart selection brush tool. Click on that area where you wanna select. Then go to photo persona. Press and hold to duplicate the selection. Now we got our selected part. Press and hold again to deselect. Anyway, I usually use pen tool for better selection. When you are done, tap here to selection. Press and hold to duplicate the selection. These are the two easiest way to make selection. Click here to export. You get different format like JPEG, PNG. Here I usually change from bilinear to bicubic. Hit OK. Give a name and save it. Alright guys, that's for today. Thank you so much for watching.